Lesson 5. Introduction to PowerPoint 2016. A presentation is a systematic display of information on a particular topic. The most common and user-friendly software used for creating a presentation is PowerPoint. You can create stories using images and text in this software. Let us learn about it in this chapter. Introduction. PowerPoint is an application program that allows you to create and show slides to support a presentation. A presentation is made up of a series of slides. A single page of presentation is called a slide. You can combine text, graphics and multimedia contents to create professional presentations. When many slides are run together one after the other, it is called a slideshow. As a presentation tool, you can use PowerPoint to organize and structure your presentation, to create a professional and consistent presentation, to provide an illustrative backdrop for the content of your presentation, to animate your slides to give them greater visual impact, to make audience handouts, outlines, and speakers' notes. Starting PowerPoint 2016. To start PowerPoint, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Scroll to PowerPoint 2016 and click. The PowerPoint window opens. Parts of the PowerPoint window. This is how the PowerPoint 2016 main window looks like. Let us learn about the various parts of PowerPoint 2016 window. Title bar. It is displayed at the top of the PowerPoint window. It displays the name of the current presentation. Quick Access Toolbar. It contains commonly used command buttons such as Save, Undo, Redo, and Slideshow. Ribbon. A ribbon is made up of tabs and groups. Each tab has a set of commands present in the shape of tool buttons. Slide navigation pane. Slides navigation pane is located on the left side of the window. The slides pane shows thumbnail of each of the slides in the presentation. The outline pane shows a text outline of all the information on the slides. Slide pane. It is the middle section of the PowerPoint window where you can work directly on individual slides. Placeholder. A placeholder is a dotted rectangular box on a slide which may contain text, pictures, videos, etc. Status bar. The status bar is located at the bottom of the PowerPoint window. It displays information about the number of current slide, total number of slides, and what design theme was used. Creating a new presentation. When you start PowerPoint, the program automatically starts a new presentation for you and calls it Presentation 1. To create a new presentation, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on File tab. Step 2. Click on Blank Presentation in the Backstage view. A new presentation opens with a blank slide. Creating slide. Whenever you start your presentation, the first slide which opens up is a title slide by default. A title slide displays the text placeholder where the text is to be typed. Entering text in the title text placeholder. To enter the text, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the title text placeholder box. Step 2. Type your text in text placeholder box as shown. The title text displays in the title text placeholder box and also in the Slides tab. Entering text in subtitle text placeholder. This is the next step in creating a title slide. To enter the text, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the subtitle text placeholder box. Step 2. Type your text in Subtitle Text Placeholder box. The subtitle text is displayed in the Subtitle Placeholder and also in the Slides tab. Inserting a new slide. To insert a new slide, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Click on the New Slide command in the Slides group. Step 3. Select the type of slide you want. A new slide is inserted. To add a new slide quickly, right-click in the Slides pane. Select New Slide option from the pop-up menu. Entering text in the new slide. To enter text in the new slide, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the title text placeholder and type your text. Step 2. Click on the subtitle text placeholder and type your text. When you press the Enter key, a new bullet appears in the next line. Type the remaining text. Tech fact: Presenter was the original name of PowerPoint. Changing the font and font size of the text. To change the appearance of your slide text, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text you want to change. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. In the font group, click on drop-down arrow in the font box to display a list of the available fonts. Or, in the font group, click on down arrow of font size to display a list of the available sizes. Step 4. Click on the font type and size in which you want your text to appear. Slide layout. Slide layout is used as the formatting and positioning for the content that appears on a slide. Placeholders are the dotted line containers on slide layouts that hold such content as the titles, body text, tables, charts, pictures, videos, etc. in a slide. Slide layouts also contain the colors, fonts, effects, and the background, which are collectively known as the theme of a slide. Let us learn more about slide layouts and how to change them in a slide. Type of built-in slide layouts. There are 9 inbuilt slide layouts in PowerPoint 2016. Let's learn about PowerPoint 2016. Title slide. This layout is used at the beginning of your presentation to introduce a topic, title, and content. This is the default slide layout. This slide layout is used very commonly. Section header. This layout separates different sections of the same presentation. To content. This layout has 2 columns of text as well as graphic content. Comparison. This layout is like the to content slide layout, but this slide type also includes a heading text box over each type of content. Use this type of slide layout to compare to content of the same type, for example, to different charts. Title only. This layout has only a title on the page, rather than a title and subtitle. The area below the title is blank so that other content, such as clip, art, word art, pictures, or charts, can be added as needed. Blank. This layout is often used when a picture or other graphic object needs no further information. Content with caption. This layout contains 2 columns for text and content. The left column contains placeholders for text. The right column contains placeholders for images and illustrations. Picture with caption. This layout is similar to the content with caption slide layout. The left side contains a placeholder for text and the right side contains a placeholder for picture that is stored on your computer. Changing the slide layout. You can apply a different slide layout in any slide you want. To change the slide layout, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Select the slide that you want to change. Step 3. Click on Layout button in the Slides group. Step 4. Choose the desired slide layout. Inserting word art. Word art allows you to apply text effects. You can also insert word art in your slides to make them attractive. To insert word art, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Word Art command in the text group. The drop-down menu will appear. Step 3. Select the desired word art style. Step 4. A text box appears on the slide with the text, your text here. Start typing the text in the text box. Step 5. When you finish typing the text, click anywhere outside the text box or press Escape key twice. Inserting a picture. PowerPoint lets you insert pictures, images in your presentations. To insert a picture from a file, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Pictures option from the Insert menu. The Insert Picture dialog box appears. Step 2. Browse to the location where you have saved your picture file. Select the desired picture file. Step 3. Click Insert button. The selected picture gets inserted in the slide. View a presentation. PowerPoint offers you options to change how your presentation appears on the screen. The PowerPoint view modes can help you with various elements that you want to edit. By default, PowerPoint displays your presentation in normal view. To change the view of the presentation, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on View tab. Step 2. Click on any of the 4 options available in the Presentation Views group. Let us know about the options available in Views group. Normal view. Normal view shows the current slide. Slide area displays a large view of the current slide. This is where the slides are created and edited. Slides pane displays the slides as thumbnails. Notes pane is where the speaker can write notes for them. These notes do not appear during the presentation. Outline view. Outline view displays the text of each slide on the left pane. You can edit the text directly from here. Slide sorter view. It shows the miniature version of all slides. Here, we can easily change the order of the slides. You can move, delete, edit and recognize these slides with greater ease. Reading view. Reading view is used when you want to view a presentation not in full screen but in a window with simple controls that make the presentation easy to review. The ribbon and the slides outline pane are not visible. Slideshow view. This view is used to deliver the presentation to the audience. This means that you can run a slideshow of your presentation and see how it looks. You can go back or forward in the slideshow by clicking on the arrow buttons in the lower left corner. Changing the slide order. It can be done simply by selecting the slide you want to move up or down and place it at the position. You can do the same either in normal or slide sorter view. Delete a slide. Slides can be deleted in normal view or in slide sorter view. To delete a slide, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on the slide in the outline pane. Step 2. From the pop-up, choose Delete Slide option. The selected slide will be deleted. Tech fact. The 5 best free animated presentation software are Powtoon, Google Drive Presentation, 280 Slides, SlideRocket, Prezi. Knowledge Zone. PowerPoint was created by Robert Gaskins and Dennis Austin at a software company named Forethought Incorporated in 1987. Microsoft acquired PowerPoint for about $14 million 3 months after it was appeared.